Hey guys, I have my Xbox One X, cleaning this baby. So what you want to get is get this hydrogen peroxide. Get a couple paper towels, flip them kind of like this. Get 3. Fold it like this, like that. Get your hydrogen peroxide, open it up, little bit that on there, or like that. After that, what you want to do, rub the whole entire Xbox, except for the back. Don't do the back. Just rub it good. Enough of that. Get another paper towel and just wipe it back down. Then you wanna don't break this thing. Flip it upside down. This is the part where you really want to clean. Yeah. You know the bee king. Yes, Mom. And then just hang on 1 second. I'm working on a video. Oops. They got a beautiful, clean Xbox One X. Or whatever. Flip it. There! This thing's heavy. Probably like 10 pounds. It's really heavy. Beautiful.